This is Kevin Solecki from Carnegie Accordion Company. I'm here with my friend Cory Pesaturo. He's a three-time world champion accordion player. He's going to be playing some orchestral sounds for you on Roland's brand new FR4X accordion. Take it away, Cory.
All right, let's go over some newer or improved sounds from the 8X. Some of that honky-tonk piano. Let's see, that'll be next. A flamenco guitar. And so on. I'll go from here to some fun bass stuff. That's really fun. All right. We're going to go from here. Other new ones. Oh yeah, trumpet falls. We'll go up. Very improved. You want to do that? I do it myself. I don't have to do it myself anymore. I just let the accordion do it. Why not? Okay. Let's see. Pretty sweet sound there. How about, or this? Like an electronic orchestra in there. So many sounds here to choose from. It's the new violin. And here's how you can change the octave. So, you have everything you need. Definitely the best violin sound I have ever heard, and that kind of goes with the clarinet too. Something like that, or trumpet. Yeah, let's see. All that. So, and how many sounds do we have totally on here? I think about 100 and, I can tell you right now, 179 different sounds. So if that ain't enough for you, I don't know what is. 179 sounds. That you can also put on the chords and also put on the bass as well.
That is true. This is a brand new FR4X accordion that we just took out of the box, and this is just a sample of the sounds that are on the brand new FR4X. Thank you very much, Cory. Again, this is Kevin Solecki from Carnegie Accordion Company. Thank you.